Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today on my channel we are going to be going up to Ashdown motocross track with my KTM 85. So we've just gone down to my dad's garage and got all my body armour, my suit and all that stuff, and now we're just going to my aunt's to get my motorbike. I'll see you when we're there. Right, so we've just got the bike out. There she is. Right, so I'm at the track now. Just little 50 there in the background. Noisy as hell. Just get my gear on. Got the bike loaded in. Just about to unload it. See you when I'm dressed. Right, so we're back in the car now. We forgot something. You tell them what we forgot, Dad.
So we get all the way up this silly bumpy lane, and then we start unratcheting the bike. We paid our money, we got in there, started unratcheting the bike, and then it dawned on me, whoa, that we never even filled the fuel tank up. So we had no petrol, so we can't ride at all, so we've got to go back down the garage now.
Yeah, look, we're just coming out onto the main road to go and get the fuel again. So I'll see you at the track again when we've got the fuel. Right, so we're back up the track again. Right, now we're getting the bike out, for real this time. And I'll start riding and I'll do some footage in a second. Right, so we got the bike out, we started her up, and the fuel line actually has a hole in it. So we're gonna have to cut it past there, and we're gonna have to reattach it, and hopefully that will work. I will come back on when we fixed it, hopefully. Right, so I got my body armour on. We're just, look, we've used the overflow pipe, and that's the pipe was snapped, and we've put that on the overflow pipe, and we've used the overflow pipe for the fuel pipe. So I don't know if it's going to work, but we're just going to try it. Let's hope for the best. Right, so in there, that little pipe just there, we've managed to get it with the overflow pipe, so I'm so happy. Right.
How's it going?
Pretty good. I'm going over to the big track now.
Again?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll see you in a bit.
Oh.
Oh, start it up again, come on.
Neutral. I think. Right, so that's the end of the day. Got all the stuff packed. I think we're just going to go to the jet wash, aren't we, Dad?
I don't know. Last time we went to the jet wash, they wouldn't let us use it.
Let us use it
Because of the dirt bike, it creates too much mud and it blocks their drains or something, so...
Oh well, we'll just have to clean it another time. Right, so that's the end of the video anyway. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe and like, and see you next time you come along for the ride with Harley Hancock.